Hello everyone and welcome back to our Java programming series here on Applied Intelligence. In our previous module, we explored the fundamentals of Java programming, including variables, data types, operators, user input and output. These concepts serve as the building blocks of every Java application. Now, if you have already followed my C programming tutorial series, you may remember that we previously discussed control structures. The good news is that the same programming logic still applies in Java. The difference is that Java provides its own syntax, modern language features, and object-oriented capabilities that make programs more organized, maintainable, and powerful. Control structures are what give life and intelligence to a program. They allow a computer to make decisions, repeat tasks, and control the flow of execution based on specific conditions. Without control structures, program would simply execute statements from top to bottom without any ability to respond to different situations. In this module, we will learn how Java programs make decisions using conditional statements, such as the if statement, if-else statement, nested if statements, and the else-if ladder. We will also explore switch statements, including the traditional switch and the modern switch expressions introduced in the newer versions of Java. Next, we will dive into looping statements, such as the for loop, while loop, and do-while loop, which allow us to execute repetitive tasks efficiently. We will then move on to nested loops and pattern programming, where we will create star patterns and number patterns that strengthen our understanding of loop logic. Finally, we will learn how to control loops using break, continue, and labeled statements, giving us greater flexibility in managing program execution. By the end of this module, you will have a solid understanding of how to control the flow of a Java program and build more interactive and intelligent applications. So whether you are continuing from our C programming series or starting your Java journey for the first time, get your Java development environment ready. Open your IDE and let's begin exploring the world of Java control structures. Let's get started. Congratulations! You have successfully completed Module 2 of our Java programming series. Mastering control structures is essential because they are used in almost every software application you will build in the future. Whether you are creating a simple console programs, desktop applications, web systems, mobile applications, or enterprise software, control structures will always be part of your programming toolkit. In the next module, we will explore arrays and strings in Java. You will learn how to store and manipulate collections of data efficiently and work with one of the most commonly used data types in programming. I am talking of the string. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also click the notification bell so you won't miss the upcoming lessons in our Java programming series. Thank you for watching. Remember, applied intelligence, where intelligence is applied, not just learned. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Happy coding, everyone!